Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to build this rolling work table that fits a rolling Uline cart under it.
Mommy.
Should be fun. And there's my niece. I actually built 4 of these tables for a local charity called Jambos.
Okay, Mallory, what is Jambos?
Jambos is a nonprofit that gives brand new pajamas to kids in foster care.
The journey through foster care can be scary for kids. The Jambos team works to bring comfort during the uncertainty by providing a brand new pair of pajamas they can call their very own. Everybody say Jambos! Hello! What we're trying to do today is make a desk that this, film me. Okay. What we're trying to do today...
Start over.
No, we're starting right now. Nope, hold it 2 hands. What we're trying to do today is make work tables that fit over these Uline rolling carts. So that's what we're gonna do. So first thing I'm gonna do, film me. There we go. First thing I'm gonna do is measure it, make sure that our dimensions are gonna be right. So, yep, we're 26 by, are you filming me? All right, 26 by 36 by 34. Let's get started.
Just checking the wood, trying to see if it's not curved or anything. We need 24, and it's a lot.
You guys excited?
Yes.
But we're
Very fun.
Good job, Grant. Good job. Good job. You're doing good too, John. First test one is done. Oh, and well, it sure rolls. All right, now let's flip over the Uline and see if it's gonna fit. Okay. Ooh, perfect.
We're right behind me. We've got a mountain of pajamas for Jambos. Jambos!
Jambos! Thanks for watching. Check out Jambos in the description below, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, so it's Volunteer Saturday. Say hello. And we are rolling all the pajamas today, getting them all sorted off the hangers, counting. It's a good day.